Before I start any logo design, I always jump into sketching first. Never jump into Illustrator straight away because it's gonna actually cause you to waste time. You always want to spend more time sketching, getting out your initial ideas, and then brainstorming, exploring, because with your hand it's more freehand. You can flow with it, you can be rough, you don't have to focus on the details. That's why I love sketching. And what I do first is try and write down some words, which I did on the other page, and making connections. So my idea was doing a space camp. So, think of camping from space, rockets, planets, like all these things, and I'll make connections. And what I'll start to do is start to write down in capital letters, in lowercase letters, and using the SC as a monogram. And that's what I'll start to see on the left page. You can see that. That's what I first start to do. Start just to write out things. Just be really rough and quick. It doesn't have to be crazy, You can just use simple shapes, simple letters. But maybe if I wanted to go not a letter mark, but more of a symbol or a logo mark. So I started sketching out, some astronaut helmets, and, some planets, some rockets, and trying to incorporate the whole logo, the word mark, and maybe an abstract logo mark together. So that's what I tried to do. And you can see here, I just explore and always sketch. It's going to improve your drawing skills the more you do it, but always try and aim for a few pages, even more. And this is a crucial process when you're doing your logo design. And then as you can see here, as I start to finalize it, I start to focus on one idea and I start to blow it up and make it bigger. And then what I'll do, I'll take a picture of that and bring it into Illustrator and start to work on that. So yeah, you get sketching and start to work on your projects.